You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. Yes, I hear too many people pronounce it as Kayden. I mean, it might be that origin, depending on the accent, the country might be pronounced Kayden. Sometimes if you do pronounce it Kayden, let us know in the comments. But it's generally pronounced in English as Kayden. It means fighter or fighter, as the Americans would say. It is an American name, and the Americans say it as Kayden most generally. Let us know otherwise in the comments. Kayden is your safest bet here. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.